You spend a lifetime collecting things, memories, treasures, gifts, pieces of your life story. The truth is often very different, and understanding it now can bring peace, clarity, and even freedom today. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. When someone passes away, families are usually overwhelmed emotionally and logistically. Professional estate organizers often say families have only days or weeks to make decisions about items that took decades to collect. That time pressure alone changes everything. Here's something many people don't realize. Most belongings are not kept by the next generation. It isn't because they don't care. It's because lifestyles have changed. Homes are smaller, people move more frequently, and many already have full households of their own. Even valuable or sentimental items may not fit their lives. What feels priceless to one generation can feel like a burden to another, and that's simply reality, not rejection. Another surprising truth is how quickly things lose monetary value. Collections, furniture, and antiques that once seemed valuable often sell for far less than expected. Estate sales sometimes price items at a fraction of what they cost originally. Donation centers receive truckloads of household goods every day, and many items never make it to the sales floor. Knowing this helps shift the focus from monetary value to emotional meaning. The emotional weight on families is often the hardest part. Adult children frequently say they wish their parents had simplified earlier, not because they wanted less, but because they wanted clarity. They wanted to know what mattered most, what stories were attached to certain items, and what could be safely let go. Without guidance, every object becomes a difficult decision. So, what can you do now to make things easier later? Start by identifying the items that truly represent your life story. Choose a few meaningful pieces instead of many. Label photographs, write small notes, or share the stories behind special objects while you're here to tell them. Meaning matters more than quantity. Another helpful step is to begin gentle downsizing long before it's necessary. This doesn't mean giving everything away. It means being intentional. Many people feel a sense of relief once they start this process. They realize they're not losing memories, they're preserving what truly matters. Simplifying now can reduce stress, create safer living spaces, and give you more time and energy for experiences instead of maintenance. And perhaps the most important truth of all, the legacy you leave isn't your stuff. When families remember you, they remember moments, laughter, and love, not how full your closets were. If this message resonates with you, take one small action today. Choose one drawer, one shelf, or one box, and ask yourself what story you wanted to tell. Because the greatest gift we can leave behind is not more to manage, it's peace of mind. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need to hear it. Small steps create lasting change.